If you decide to take a woman back after she's voiced disrespect for you, you better be well damn prepared to lay down the law. See, the person who walked away is the leader in that situation because you took control away from her. So it automatically puts her in a more vulnerable and submissive role. See, usually when someone realizes that they have made a mistake, they feel a strong sense of indebtedness to that person. She will feel quote unquote lucky that you have accepted her back, and she will want to prove to you how she's changed. There will be a newly found internal respect factor for you because you have proven that if things are not to your liking or standard, you will leave. You will walk away. You've proven that. So she knows that you will do it again. This is why you'll find 9 times out of 10 when she does come back, she will come back to you more submissive